Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amulya's Academy. Today in this tutorial let's talk about the data structures. What are data structures and why they are so important in programming language? Data structure is a way to store and organize the data so that it can be accessed effectively and also it can be used and manipulated in the future easily. Data structure is the basic and important concept of every programming language. It allows us to store the data in such a way that it can be retrieved very quickly and effectively. Organizing the data is very important. When data is kept in the organized form, we can access the data very easily. For example, if you want to search the meaning of any word, in the dictionary the words are organized in the alphabetical order, right? Because the dictionary is organized in the alphabetical order, I can easily find out the word and I can find out the meaning of that word. But imagine that if the dictionary is not alphabetically ordered, if it is organized in the random order, then find out the meaning of a word or to search a word in the dictionary is very difficult. It will take more time, right? We can take another example also. You will go to the library and in the library you want to borrow a book. In the library, books will be organized in different categories and we can see the thriller category, horror category, and books are organized in some way, right? Because books are organized, searching for a book is easy. If books are organized in random order without any category, to find out a particular book, we need to search in the entire library, right? It will take more time or more work. So organizing the data is very important. In our day-to-day life also, if we keep our things organized, we'll get our day-to-day life things very easily. Of course, searching for books in library takes some time, especially if the librarian arranged the book in her own way. Because we can arrange the books in the library in hundreds of ways, right? That's where different data structure comes to picture. We need to organize the data in different ways based on your need. That's why we have different data structure. We need to understand every data structure in detail. When we are dealing with the data, we know exactly which data structure we need to use, which will serve a purpose. Choosing the appropriate data structure for a program is the most important task for the programmer. That's why we need to know about all the data structures so that we can understand when to use which data structure. So in Python programming language, we can divide the data structures in two categories. One is called as built-in data structures, another one is called as user-defined data structure. In Python, we have four built-in data structure, that is list, tuple, set and dictionary. And for the user-defined data structure, we have stack, queue, linked list, graph and tree. We will discuss about these two types in detail from the next tutorial. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you next class. Till then, take care.